Hello, I am Professor Ashish Dasab Shinde, working as an assistant professor at NV Navle, Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solapur. I have total 12 years experience. Out of that, 10.5 teaching experience and 1.5 it is industrial experience. Now today we are going to study the AC analysis of differential amplifier, that is the dual input balanced output differential amplifier. Already we discussed regarding to the differential amplifier, its definition, its concept, types of differential amplifier, that is the dual input balanced output differential amplifier, dual input unbalanced output differential amplifier, single input balanced output differential amplifier, and single input and unbalanced type of differential amplifier. These are the different types of differential amplifier. Now today we are going to study the AC analysis of dual input balanced output differential amplifier. See the diagram. AC analysis of dual input balanced output differential amplifier. See here, dual input means two input voltages at the two base terminal of the transistor. Here Q1 and Q2, these are the two transistor. Q1 and Q2, these are the two transistors. VID upon 2 and VID upon 2, these are the two power supply, power sources applied at base terminal of the transistor. IE, it is a emitter current. VCC, it is a power source, power supply applied at collector terminal of the transistor. IC, it is a collector resistor. RC, it is a collector resistor. IC, it is a collector current. We take output V01 and V02 at the both the output of the collector, so it is a balanced output. See in a diagram for the AC analysis. Here we have extra source VIC. Here we connect for the emitter terminal current source and emitter current in parallel, and it is connected to the ground. Above diagram consists of dual input balanced output differential amplifier. The AC analysis of differential amplifier is based on the half circuit concept. Half circuit concept used for DC analysis. According to the concept of differential amplifier, yes, it is already we know VID, difference in two input voltages, VI1 minus VI2. VID, differential mode input voltage. For above circuit, common mode input voltage, average value of input voltage. See here, we get the equation number 2. VIC is equal to VI1 plus VI2 upon 2. From equation number 1 and 2, find the value of VI1 and VI2. We will get VI1 is equal to VID upon 2 plus VIC, equation number 3, and VI2 is equal to minus VID upon 2 plus VIC, equation number 4. In the same way, we can find out the value of differential output voltage. VOD is equal to VO1 minus VO2, equation number 5. VOC is equal to VO1 plus VO2 upon 2, equation number 6. By solving the above equation, we get equation number 7. VO1 is equal to VOD upon 2 plus VOC. It is equation number 7. VO2 is equal to minus VOD upon 2 plus VOC, equation number 8. Where VOD and VOC are the differential mode and common mode output voltages respectively. This is the AC analysis of dual input balanced output differential amplifier. See here, the circuit arrangement for AC analysis of dual input and balanced output differential amplifier. Here we have to use the simple concept of the differential amplifier. Here we have to use one current source. Current source, it is connected with emitter resistor and it is connected to the ground. Thank you.